Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Mom.
I woke up early today.
I woke up early today.
Let's brush our teeth.
Let's brush our teeth.
I want to take a bath.
I want to take a bath.
Where are my clothes?
Where are my clothes?
I am ready for school.
I am ready for school.
I packed my bag.
I packed my bag.
Don't forget your lunchbox.
Don't forget your lunchbox.
I need my water bottle.
I need my water bottle.
Let's go to school.
Let's go to school.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
May I go to the washroom?
May I go to the washroom?
I don't understand this.
I don't understand this.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I finished my homework.
I finished my homework.
This is my best friend.
This is my best friend.
I love to read books.
I love to read books.
Let's play at recess.
Let's play at recess.
It's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime.
I like my school.
I like my school.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
I want to watch cartoons.
I want to watch cartoons.
Let's play outside.
Let's play outside.
Please help me, Mom.
Please help me, Mom.
I finished my homework.
I finished my homework.
Can I have some juice?
Can I have some juice?
Time to clean up.
Time to clean up.
I love my family.
I love my family.
Where are my clothes?
Where are my clothes?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please help me.
Please help me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
May I come in?
May I come in?
Be kind to everyone.
Be kind to everyone.
Let's share the toys.
Let's share the toys.
Don't fight with friends.
Don't fight with friends.
Always tell the truth.
Always tell the truth.
I like to draw.
I like to draw.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue.
I love ice cream.
I love ice cream.
It's a sunny day.
It's a sunny day.
I see a rainbow.
I see a rainbow.
Let's sing a song.
Let's sing a song.
I want to ride my bike.
I want to ride my bike.
Look at the stars.
Look at the stars.
It's time for bed.
It's time for bed.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.